Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2025 BMW M5 M, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a longtime BMW aficionado or just curious about what this powerhouse offers, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what makes the 2025 M5 a standout in its class. Body panels. The 2025 M5 boasts a bold and aggressive design, characterized by pronounced wheel arches and sculpted surfaces that emphasize its performance pedigree. The aerodynamic enhancements not only provide visual appeal but also improve high-speed stability and efficiency. The use of lightweight materials ensures that the vehicle remains agile without compromising on strength. Headlights. Up front, the M5 features adaptive LED headlights with cornering functionality, providing optimal illumination during nighttime driving and around bends. The sleek design integrates seamlessly with the front fascia, giving the car a modern and assertive look. The signature BMW twin headlights are a nod to the brand's heritage while embracing contemporary styling. Taillights. At the rear, the M5 is equipped with slim LED taillights that offer crisp illumination and quick response times. The design complements the vehicle's overall aesthetics, ensuring that it looks just as impressive from behind as it does from the front. The taillights also enhance safety by providing clear signals to other drivers. Grille. The iconic kidney grille has been reimagined for the 2025 M5, featuring a high-gloss black finish and an almost entirely enclosed design. This not only contributes to the car's striking appearance but also aids in aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. The grille is flanked by large air intakes that further emphasize the vehicle's performance capabilities. Seats. Inside, the M5 offers multifunctional seats upholstered in premium merino leather, providing both comfort and support during spirited driving. The seats are designed to hold occupants firmly in place, with adjustable side bolsters and lumbar support. Heating and ventilation functions ensure comfort in various climates, making every drive enjoyable. Dashboard. The dashboard is a harmonious blend of luxury and technology, featuring high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout. Carbon fiber and aluminum accents add a sporty touch, while the streamlined design ensures that all controls are within easy reach. The ambient lighting system allows for customization, creating the perfect atmosphere for any journey. Infotainment system. Dominating the center console is a large touchscreen powered by BMW's latest iDrive system. This intuitive interface provides access to navigation, media, vehicle settings, and more. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Voice control and gesture recognition add to the convenience, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road. Steering wheel. The M-specific steering wheel is ergonomically designed, featuring a thick rim wrapped in premium leather for a comfortable grip. Integrated controls allow for easy access to various functions, including audio, cruise control, and the customizable M1 and M2 drive mode buttons. Paddle shifters provide manual control over gear changes, enhancing the driving experience. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 M5 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance and a thrilling exhaust note. The engine is engineered for both power and efficiency, ensuring that drivers can enjoy spirited driving without compromising on fuel economy. Hybrid option. For the first time, the M5 introduces a plug-in hybrid variant, combining the potent V8 engine with an electric motor and a 14.8 kWh battery pack. This setup provides an additional boost in performance, improved fuel efficiency, and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. The hybrid system seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's dynamics, offering an enhanced driving experience. Airbags. Safety is paramount in the M5, which comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system. This includes front, side, and curtain airbags, providing protection for all occupants in the event of a collision. The advanced restraint systems work in conjunction with the vehicle's structural integrity to minimize injury risks. Parking assist. Navigating tight spaces is made easier with the M5's advanced parking assist features. The system includes front and rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and an automatic parking assistant that can steer the vehicle into parallel and perpendicular spots. These technologies reduce the stress of parking in crowded urban environments. Price. The 2025 BMW M5 starts at approximately $119,500, offering a compelling package of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Optional packages and customizations can increase the price, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW M5? It's a remarkable fusion of tradition and innovation, delivering an unparalleled driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the new M5 as your next performance sedan? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.